Welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Today in this video I'm going to make certain very important and very interesting announcements. So let's start the video. So actually first of all I want to tell you that in this video I'm going to announce the names of those students, those participants, those subscribers who sent me answers of all the videos of my course which I had started in the last month. And first of all I want to say sorry that it took me so much time to upload this video, because actually the reason is, let me show you what was the reason. That these many, so you can see so many people, means so many students they've sent me, means that I say thank you to all of you that you responded so well. And I think in this process I am hopeful that you must have learned a lot also. So now, apart from the names of that those course videos, I'm going to make certain another announcements also. So stay tuned and watch the fall. I want to tell you something very important. The thing is that actually I got so much, such good response from these course videos, because I had asked questions at last. So I think the children or even the grown-up people, if they are given some study material, and after that if some assessment is there, then they get more motivated to participate. So I have planned to go ahead with this thing, and now I have planned to upload such videos which will be useful for everybody. So actually what happens that all the people, nowadays we feel that everybody wants to improve English, and I think this is you can say a thing that is very much necessary for everybody. Means you may be a master of your subject, you may be very qualified, you may be very intelligent, but if you are not able to communicate in English, so that is considered to be a big drawback in your personality. So the main thing is that now I have decided to go ahead with some more videos in which I am going to teach the subject of English through Hindi. Means I'll be making such videos which will be useful for everybody. Means you may be belonging to a big city, you may be belonging to a village, you may be a very qualified, very educated person, or you may be completely, you can say, a person who does not know English at all. So I am going to start a series of such videos, and I think they will be very useful for all the people out there, because my purpose is to teach English to everybody. Means whosoever watches my video, I want that person should learn something at least. So because you all have participated so well in these course videos, so I'm going to upload more videos, and I'm going to start now the series right from the beginning of the language. Means we will not take English as a subject, we will take it just as a language. And learning a language is not very difficult. It's fun-filled activity. So you will enjoy also, and you will learn a lot also. So the thing will be that only you will have to share those videos with maximum number of people, your cousins, your family, your friends, whosoever, your relatives, whosoever are living far away from you. You can share those videos with everybody so that maximum number of people get advantage of them. And more important thing is that in those videos I'll be starting right from the basic level. Means I'll be teaching through Hindi. Means here you will be learning English through Hindi. So this is one announcement that I have told you. Another announcement is that from now onwards, means in those videos also definitely I'll be giving you tests at the end of all the videos. My planning is to upload at least 3 videos in a week. So after those 3 videos, means that 3 videos course will be completed, then 4th video will be a test video, only a test. So in that test, if you will qualify, means if you will send me all the correct answers, whosoever will send me all the correct answers, that person will be given a prize also. So that prize may be anything, that we have to still plan what will be that prize. That prize may be cash prize also, not very big but little bit. So or it may be some gift also. So that we will plan, and that I'll let you know what will be that cash prize. So 3 videos, then 1 test. So we will go in this way. And the most important thing will be that you will have to share those videos with maximum number of people, because I'll tell you more conditions when I execute everything properly. So you have to stay tuned. I think you will be pretty excited for that also. Now I am going to tell you the names of all those subscribers who participated so well in the course videos. And if you are watching this video for the first time and you don't know which course we are talking about, so you should check out my playlist. There one course is there, Let's Learn English, and that is a course of 6 videos. First video is of introduction and 5 are of course. And I think those who have watched all the 5 videos, definitely they must have improved. If you have really improved, you do tell me in the comment box. And I think they must have improved all the parts, means that they must have improved their vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, everything, because those videos are combos. So I really worked hard for them, and those who have watched those videos, they have also worked hard and they have sent me all the answers, and I'm really proud of them. And I wish that these subscribers will keep on participating in the next videos also, and they will keep on learning also. So now, without wasting any more time, let me tell you the names of those subscribers who have sent me answers of all the 5 videos. I'm going to take the names of the others also, those who sent me like less answers, not all but some. Yes. So first of all, I'm going to take the names of those subscribers who sent me answers of all the 6 videos. 5 or 6 videos, means I this much liberty I can give, that out of 6 at least they have sent me answers of 5 videos. So first of all, I want to take the name of Shubham. So Shubham has sent me not only answers of all the 6 videos, rather one more video I had uploaded, that was funny spelling mistakes. There also I had asked some questions and he sent me answers of those also. So congratulations Shubham. So I think his name is on the top of the list. So congratulations and keep it up. And I hope you must have learned a lot, and he is a very loyal subscriber. He just watches all my videos and he comments also. So thank you Shubham. Next name is Shreya. So Shreya has also sent me answers of all the videos, means she has also successfully completed this course, right? Third name is Suhani. Suhani has also completed this course successfully. Congratulations. Next name is Nishita. Nishita has also completed all the, she has also watched all the videos and she has sent me answers also. So congratulations Nishita, you have successfully completed that course. Although it's a small course, but still it's the beginning. So you can flaunt this video because your names are also being written here, and you can show it to your parents, you can show it to your relatives, your cousins, your friends, everybody, that during this lockdown you didn't waste your time, rather you utilized your time and you learnt a lot from these videos, and do recommend these videos to others also so that they can also learn. So now next name is Manali. One girl, Manali, has also completed all the she has also completed this course. So congratulations Manali. Next name is of a small boy, his name is Jabir. So he has also completed, he told me in the comment box that he is in 3rd or 4th standard, and he has also watched all the videos and he has sent me answers. So well done Jabir, keep it up and always go ahead in your life. Next name is Marisha. Marisha has also sent me answers of all the 5 videos. So Marisha, really proud of you, keep it up. And next name is Samit. Samit has also sent me answers of all the 5 videos, and congratulations Samit, you have also completed this course successfully. So these are the names. If anybody's name is left, means if I couldn't find the name of any other person who has sent me answers of all the 5 videos, do tell me in the comment box. I will mention your name in the comment box, because these names also I'm going to write in the comment box also. So you can show them to anybody, you can show them to your parents also, you can tell your parent that you have completed this course. And now I'm going to take the names of some other subscribers who sent me answers of 2, 3, 4 videos but not 5, right? So they can still send me answers. I will mention their names in the comment box. Means still this course is not over, you can still participate. And those who are watching this course now only, means after this announcement of results, their names will also be written in the comment box or description box, in the description of the video also. So still we have options, so still you have a chance to get your name be written or to complete this course, so you can still do that. So now I'm going to take the names of certain more subscribers who have participated in the videos, but there 1-2 videos are left, so you can do that. So these are Bhumika, Mansi, then Ishansh Chopra, and Arinjay, my son, he has also sent me answers of 3 videos. Just 2 videos are still left. So, and actually some of you must be there that you have watched the videos but you feel lazy to send the answers. So take your 5-10 minutes and do that thing, so that your name is also written in the comment box. Then Rishika is there, Preksha is there, Shivani is there, and Shruti is there, and then I can see Piyush Bansal is there, and Deepika is there. I think these subscribers have Kirti is there, and Mansi is there, and so all these, they have sent me answers, but of not all 5, some little bit less. So still you have a chance, you can complete your course. Don't leave it, it is really going to prove very useful to all of you. So thank you everybody, and especially I wish luck to all the subscribers who have participated in this course. Participating in this course, you people have proved that if given a challenge, you are always ready to accept it. So now I am going to follow the same pattern, means I'll be uploading 3 videos in a week, then 4th video will be your test, and if you will send me correct answers, till now the condition was only to send the answers, now the condition will be to send correct answers, and comments will be hidden. Here one more thing I will be doing, that comments will be hidden, means if you have sent your answer will not be seen by anybody. So this thing we are going to do, and whosoever will send correct answers, that subscriber will definitely get a prize from our channel. So if your course is left, complete it fast, and do subscribe to the channel if you are new, and please ask your friends and relatives also to subscribe to the channel, because now I am going to start something really good, beneficial for everyone.